Hi everyone, welcome to this tutorial on how to create and sell flashcards on Stuvia. What are flashcards? Flashcards are question and answer cards which have proven to be a very effective way of studying for a certain topic. How do you create them? Well, it's fairly easy. You go to create flashcards and you're being asked to create questions and answers. To save some time in this tutorial, I've already created some of these question and answers. So, for example, what is the definition of international marketing? International marketing is the application, blah, blah, blah. That's the answer. I've already created 10 flashcards here, but we can add some more. So, for example, what's cool? Selling on Stuvia. We can add this flashcard to the deck. As you can see right here, it's being added. Afterwards, you can move it to another position. You can edit it, you can delete it. And once you're happy with the result and all the cards you've created, you go to the next step. In the next step, you're being asked to create a title. For example, I've created the title International Marketing Flashcards. The language is English, and of course, I want to sell my flashcards to other students. I will ask about 780 for these flashcards. And every time I make a new sale, I'm earning 497, which is directly added onto your Stuvia account. Now comes the most important part, connecting your flashcards to either documents, courses, and books. I've already done this, but if you click on this button, you can select one of your documents and link the flashcards to this document. So, for example, I will choose this one. Also, you can link it to books. So the book we selected before for our upload, we can also select it here. So international marketing, the results are being shown. We click on international marketing and we're being asked, do the flashcards treat the whole book? No, I've only covered chapter 1 to 8. And I click on save. After this, your flashcards are saved, your deck is being made, and you're ready to sell them. Well, how do potential buyers see your flashcards? Like this. This is the flashcard selling page, the advertisement. So we see that we created 11 flashcards and we're showing 3 of them as a preview to potential buyers. Also, which is very important, it's linked to the course, to Marketing 320. It's linked to the document and it's linked to the book. So in all of these things are linked to your flashcards and are a way to find them on the platform. Good luck creating your flashcards, and I hope I see you on the next tutorial.